Jen and DJ here with the ACHV PEAK, and today we're going to be doing a 16-minute dumbbell workout.
So we're going to be doing 8 total exercises, and we're going to be doing them in groups of supersets. We're going to do 2 sets of each superset. Our working time is 30 seconds, our break time is 30 seconds, and in between the different groups of supersets, we will then take a 45-second extended break. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment and let us know what you thought about this video and what videos you want to see in the future. Now let's get to work. Alright, so we got about 30 seconds until we begin. Our first exercise is going to be front squat to press, and I will demonstrate that. So we're going to grab our dumbbells, we're going to curl them up to our shoulders, hold them there. We're going to go down into the squat position, come up, and then perform a shoulder press. There we go. So that's front squat to press. Alright, let's bring those weights up and get ready. Here we go. So squat and press. Go.
And if this is too difficult, you can just have a little less range of motion. If you can't go that deep, then just go here and press. Whatever you can do, stick with that and keep going further as you keep doing them.
Oh, there we go. Let's get one more. Woo, there we go. All right, so we got 30-second break, and then we're going into RDLs. For RDLs, we're gonna hold the weight at our side, slight bend in our knees, then we're gonna bend at the hips with a nice straight back, go down, come back up. You should feel this in the back of your legs. So there we go. Got a couple seconds. Let's get ready. Here we go, RDLs. Slight bend in the knees, bend at the hips, not at the back.
Same goes for this one, it's just less range of motion if it becomes too difficult. Just keep that back straight. Make sure your feet aren't too far apart. It should just be arms width, right?
Yeah.
Shoulder width.
Probably just inside shoulder width.
Yeah.
There we go. All right, we got a 30-second break. We're going back into front squat to press. Get you some water if you need it. You can also keep doing these exercises. And instead of 30 seconds, you can go 10 seconds, 15 seconds into the break, and then have a 40, 45-second working time, 20 to 15-second break. All right, let's get ready to front squat. Here we go. So we're going to squat down, we're going to press. If the dumbbells are a little bit too heavy for the press, you can use your momentum and explode out of that squat and have it help you press to get it all the way up. Here we go. 10 seconds. There we go. Feeling good. Burn it up. There we go. 30-second break. We're going back into RDLs. You're gonna hold your weight the whole time, huh?
I was thinking of doing buys the entire break.
Push it, yeah.
Or abs.
Yeah, if this is a little too easy for you, find stuff to do inside of the breaks, for sure. We got a little bit of time left. Let's get ready for those RDLs. Here we go. Slide bend in the knees, straight back. All right, so here's what you should not be doing. Your back should not look like this when you're coming down. No bending, you want nice and straight. Here we go, 15 seconds. What you can do to help that is poke out that chest and then keep your eyes on where the wall meets the ceiling in front of you. So keep your head up. Here we go. There we go, so we got a 45-second break. We're gonna go into bent over, reverse grip row, and I'll demonstrate that. So for this one, we're gonna have our palms facing away from us. We're gonna bend over, slide bend in the knees, straight back again. We're gonna pull that weight up to our hips and squeeze. There we go. So that is bent over reverse grip row.
Just gonna carry my weight the entire time.
Do some shrugs, build the forearms, build the traps. All right, we got about 10 seconds left. Well, now you want to put
now
it down.
I have to put them down.
All right, 5 seconds. Let's get ready. Here we go, straight back. Pull it up and squeeze.
Remember, alternating is also a good way to modify these exercises. If it becomes too difficult, just do one at a time.
Yeah.
Same with bicep curls after this.
Here we go. 5 seconds. Come on. Let's squeeze it. Last one. Ah, there we go. All right. So we got bicep curls next. We're going to point our palms out again. We're going to curl them both at the same time if you can. Just going to do that over and over again. Here we go.
Bruce looks comfortable.
Yeah, Bruce is nice and comfortable. He hasn't budged. Oh, we got 5 seconds. Let's go. Here we go. Bicep curls. Good controlled movements. Really squeeze that arm at the top. And squeeze. And squeeze. Here we go. Feeling
Doing
good.
the single arm modified
Yep.
version. Focus on those biceps as you
There you go.
do these.
Yep. Focus on the muscle being worked. Ah, there we go. 30-second break. We're going back into bent over reverse grip rows. Here we go. My sweats are getting a little hot today. Especially after we had the heater on. Now I got sweats on.
Nice.
We got 10 seconds left. So we're going into rows. Grab these babies. Get ready. Here we go. Remember to squeeze at the top. Squeeze. Squeeze. Contract. There we go.
And breathe. Don't forget to breathe.
Yep. Come on, here we go. 10 seconds. Let's go. Feeling good. Last one. There we go. 30 seconds. We're going into bicep curls. Whew. So, for bicep curls, also, you can start from here every time, curl up, and then bring it back down if you need. Not the best way, but it's another option. Weight falling off? Here we go. Bicep curls. Come on. Good controlled movements. Squeeze. And squeeze. Here we go, halfway, come on. Woo. Let's push it out. Come on. Let's get 2 more. Last one. There we go. All right, we got a 45-second break and we're going into lying dumbbell flies. I'll demonstrate this. Get Bruce in my
I
way.
think he is gonna start getting in the way.
I was gonna turn it that way, but not today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay down right here. We're gonna grab our dumbbells. Sorry, boy. Watch out.
Come on.
All right. So we're gonna come here. Here we go. Let the elbows hit. We're gonna come back up. Here we go. Lying dumbbell flies.
Okay, down.
Bruce loves being in the way. Here we go. Here we go. Those elbows should be bent, but they should stay locked right wherever you bend them. There we go. Good controlled movements. Really open that chest up. And then bring the weights together and squeeze. Here we go. Good controlled movements. Let's get one more. There we go. 30-second break. And then we're going into skull crushers. So I'll demonstrate that. You can kind of set the weight on you right here. And then you're going to grab it on each end of your dumbbell. Make sure you have a good hold of it. And we're going to bring it back right to the top of your head and then come straight up. And we're going to squeeze those triceps. There we go. So that's skull crushers. 5 seconds till we begin. Let's get ready. All right. Bring that weight just over the top of your head and then squeeze. Bring it down, up, squeeze. There you go, just like you're flexing that tricep muscle in the mirror. We know you've been flexing in the mirror, checking yourself out. Come on. Here we go. Let's get one more. Last one. There we go. 30-second break. We're going back into lying dumbbell flies. I think Bruce is a little bit in your personal space.
He doesn't understand personal space.
If you're curious, he is an Old English sheepdog. And an FYI, they are kind of needy and like to be in your personal space.
When he says kind of, it means very needy.
All right, here we go. Dumbbell flies. Bring it up and squeeze. Here you go, open that chest, bring it up and squeeze. There we go, good controlled movements. There you go. Come on. Oh, hey, at least you're able to do it.
Yeah.
All right, last one. Here we go. 30 seconds, so we're going back into skull crushers. He's like, don't touch me.
He's licking my arm. He's like,
I'm hanging out with Mom. Uh-oh.
now he's going to
The
bed.
beast is on the move. Hey, pup. Down. Down.
Very
down.
cool pup though, if anyone's wanting to purchase one.
Yep.
Super cool pup.
Not ours, though. He's not for sale. Get your one. All right, here we go. Skull crushers. Let's go. Push it out. Remember, dumbbell just above the head. Come on. Let's go. Halfway. Push it out. Push yourself on these. Let those triceps burn. They can handle it. Squeeze at the top. Come on. Let's get a couple more. Let's get one more. There we go. All right. We got a 45-second break. And then we're going into hang clean to press. I'll demonstrate it. I'll get a few things out of the way. All right, I'm just gonna scoot up since you appear to want to hang out right there. All right, so for hang clean to press, I'm gonna have the dumbbell out right here. Legs, feet just outside of shoulder width. We're gonna do a light squat. We're gonna pull it up and then press. Demonstrate it from the side. It should come right up against your body. Boom, boom. There you go. So we got a few seconds left. Make sure your clips are on. Here we go. So light squat and then a press. If you need to, you can do a deeper squat. There we go. So a mod for this is gonna grab both your dumbbells and then just have them by your side, do a squat and then a shrug. Squat and then a shrug. All right, 30 seconds, and then we're gonna do the other side. So the opposite side, I just did my left hand. I'm gonna switch to the right hand for the next set. 30-second break. I'll demonstrate the mod a little bit better this time.
My job's modifications, but I definitely forgot. I was focused.
It's all right. Jen's gonna do the regular workout. I'll do the mod this time.
Yes.
Here we go. So squat and then shrug. Squat and then shrug. That's the mod. Here we go. Hang clean to press, or squat to shrug. Here we go. Let's push it. There we go. All right, 30-second break. We're going back in to hang clean to press with the opposite arm. So it's hang clean to press for both of these exercises. This is a good full body movement. Really get that heart rate up, get muscle growth all over the entire body. It's one of my favorite exercises.
You'll feel it in your shoulders. It's kind of funny.
Shoulders,
Kind of weird,
legs, everything.
Tomorrow you'll feel it.
And I'm gonna do my right arm this time so I can even it out. Here we go. Hang clean, press. Hang clean, press. Again, I'll do it sideways. There we go. Keep that weight right up against your body. You don't want it coming like this. That's not what we're doing, not this.
Good in slow motion.
Yep, so it's gonna come here, flip over, and then up. Here we go. 30 seconds, switching to the other side, and then we are done.
Nice.
One exercise left and we are done. All right, so for this one I'll demonstrate squat to shrug again. Now I got both sides for clean, so
Oh, I see.
I got it nice and even. 5 seconds till we begin. All right, here we go. So squat, shrug, or hang clean to press. Here we go. Depending on the weight you have for your squat to shrug to get a little bit more shoulders, you can actually do a lateral raise. So now we're gonna do a squat, a shrug, and a lateral raise. Ah, there we go.
Don't hit me there. I feel it right.
All right, there we go. We are done.
Yes.
Good stuff, mama. All right, if you like this workout,
Hit that like button.
Boom!
Smash that like button.
smash the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let us know what you thought about this workout and what you want to see in the future. And if you like our videos, subscribe to our channel. See you guys.